Another beautiful day at the Homestead, Jacques.
It's looking pretty good over here.
It is. I don't know if we really even have much to do.
How about we mix it up and try something totally different?
Why don't we go on a field trip? Today, we decided to take a little bit of the magic here at the Homestead and bring it to a local community garden in need. And this video is in partnership with Sierra Nevada Brewing Company. More on that later. Jacques, let's change up and hit the road.
Let's do it.
Hello, my friends, and welcome to Mosaic Community Garden here in San Diego with
Gloria Berry. I'm the community garden manager, and I'm happy you gentlemen are here today.
Yeah,
Thank
of course.
Let's walk around, let's check it out, and
Okay.
tell us a little bit about the place.
Sure.
We got a little mascot here, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We have Gigi. She's our.
She's not
It's like I haven't earned her trust yet.
The Mosaic Community Garden of Chula Vista basically has been here since 2014. We've been on the other area over there, and we've moved over here in the last 2 years. We're a monarch way station, we're a wildlife habitat, we're an earth-friendly garden through the San Diego Master Gardeners.
Wow.
And also too is we're proudly an All-American Selection Display Garden here in San Diego County, and the only one.
A lot of awards.
So anyway, a lot of growth there we need to move out on. So
Speaking of the growth, Gloria, you've got a lot of plots here. What would help today? What do you think would make a difference?
being the fact that we've been a little bit behind on being able to get our seed starting going, so our cool weather plants, we're really behind on that. And if you don't plant them in the right time, they will stunt their growth.
Yep.
So that might be a great asset. If you guys could provide that for us today, that would be wonderful. I'm sure all
Okay.
the gardeners would be
Yeah.
very happy about that. Maybe something to a planter or something like that. Maybe they can, maybe something that's not a traditional community garden planter box
Okay.
here. Maybe something a little more.
I think we might
got
have a
some
solution
options.
for that.
Okay. Well, that would be great, but I think that might be useful, and
Okay.
I think it would certainly encourage a lot of the folks to have their minds and eyes open to what's available out there.
Yeah.
Well, let Jacques and I work some magic. We'll be back in maybe an hour or two with
Okay.
the first batch of goodies.
Ooh,
See you soon.
okay. All right. Thanks. See you guys. Bye.
We're here at the Epic Gardening warehouse. Let's go in and do a little bit of a shopping spree, Jacques. Welcome to the Madhouse, the Epic Warehouse. We have a lot of stuff in here, but right here are some return Birdie's beds, untouched, unopened, and I think we're gonna harvest some of these
Yeah,
for
a little gleaning.
Mosaic. Yeah. So what do you got? You got the original 8-in-1 green,
Perfect.
and I'll just steal one more of these.
I think these will fit the space really nicely and just fill it out.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. We're down here at Terrabella Nursery, huge production nursery. They do have a small veggie selection though. So we know we want some cold weather crops. It's cold weather season. They got some favas. I think we should get
I think
them
we
some
should get some favas for sure.
Honestly, some
and maybe a
favas.
couple peas.
Favas are great because not only can you eat them, of course, but they are a fantastic cover crop for improving soil. So if there's some like vacant beds at the community garden, we can throw favas in over the winter, let them do their thing, chop and drop them, we'll be good to go. So let's get some favas.
Some kales.
I got some
of
kale.
lettuce.
Yep. I mean, let's just go a little wild here, Jacques.
Maybe a little strawberry action.
Yeah, why not? You ever watch that Toys R Us, like run through the store, $1,000? Hey, how about this? Whatever you can put on the cart as we go down, and I'm gonna go real slow, we're
Okay.
buying.
Stress. Too much Red Russian.
That's way too much kale. Take one off. I'm already at the next one.
All right, strawberries. Favas.
Okay, favas.
Whatever this is.
That's
Laguna?
Mizuna. Okay.
Double fava.
Uh-oh. You're running. You gotta somehow, I'm not stopping, so you gotta get around.
Little 6-pack of peas. Oh, I see a cabbage.
Cabby, there's artichokes, but probably not for
No,
this
probably not.
situation. Some herbs,
Little dill never hurt anyone.
pops.
Little fennel?
I don't know
Little
why I'm
fennel?
walking like this, but it's feeling right.
I feel like it's going faster.
It's feeling right.
Okay, there's a poppy. That's a poppy.
Poppy. What do we got there?
And foxglove.
Foxglove.
Everyone likes that.
Yeah?
That's a big boy.
Do you?
I mean, and
get
then
a couple
this
nasties
is
in there.
a poppy.
Yeah, okay. I think
and
we're good.
And a nasty, and we're good.
We're good. All right. We have loaded up on plants, but now we need some soil.
Yeah, for sure we need some soil.
So we need, let's say, we got 2 original 8-in-1s, which needs 64 cubic feet.
Yep.
which we don't need all of that because we're gonna use some olive branches, some grass clippings to fill out the bottom, some gravel, etc.
Yeah.
So probably we need about 40 or so, I would say. We are back at Mosaic. Just a quick unload because we don't have any soil. So we gotta go back and get a little soil for you. This is favas.
Some tall
I've never grown them.
You haven't grown favas?
Not yet.
It's a great winter cover crop. We decided to drop off the seedlings to make room for all of the soil we have to pick up, and Gloria seemed pretty pleased with our selection, especially the fava beans, which she's never grown before. And of course, who doesn't like a couple original 6-in-1 Birdie's beds? Now it's off to the big box store to grab some soil, and the build begins. We're back at Mosaic. We have our soil, we have our beds. We have roughly where we think they're gonna go, Jacques.
Yep.
So we just need to build them. We are able to do this community garden install thanks to the partnership of Sierra Nevada Brewing Company, which is a company I've long admired for their commitment to sustainability and general business ethics. So this video, and many more coming if you guys like this, are going to be in partnership with Sierra Nevada, and probably a little bit of hops growing coming up pretty soon too. So thanks to them for sponsoring the video. To fill up these two beds, we started off with a bit of a lasagna gardening technique with a few inches of gravel down at the bottom for drainage, and then layering in some found materials with the soil that we purchased at the big box store. So for us, that meant layers of grass clippings, compost, etc. in with the soil, and then as you got to the top third of the material, we went fully with our soil mix. And there we have it, my friends. We have two old but new, repurposed, reused beds. We used some gravel from the yard. We used some grass clippings from the yard. Got some soil and plants. We'll save these, Gloria, so that the new gardeners coming in, the vets can plant these themselves.
Okay,
A little more
perfect.
fun that way, probably. But yeah, I mean, what do you think?
I'm excited. I'm excited for the garden, and I'm excited that you guys got a chance to incorporate with us. And this will be nice exposure for a lot of other people that come to visit us, and knowing that they have another opportunity to grow. Come here and visit us and see how things are going.
Yeah. I'm
Awesome.
looking forward to seeing how it turns out.
Yeah, you'll have to send us some photos.
Yeah.
Well, thanks guys. Good luck in the garden and keep on growing.